Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Today we're getting into a L'Oreal item that I've been wanting to play with for a little while. See if it is up to par with my high-end products that I have. Which is the L'Oreal True Match. Can she stand up to NARS and Fenty? Can she? We're gonna see right now. And as always,
do that 3-4 times again, I'll testify for you. I tell that lie, I kill that, I do it. All of them around you scared to do, I'm not. Long as you're joking out here for me, I got it.
so listen, right? I'm just gonna say this. This L'Oreal True Match Skin Tint, is it NARS? No. Is it Fenty? No. But it is damn good. Okay. For the price point of $16.99, I got it at Ulta. It was $16.99. But I mean, you could get it at a Walgreens. You can get it at a CVS. And normally in the drugstores, I'm not sure about Ulta, but I know in the drugstores, you can get them for BOGO. So if you don't have the means or you don't want to spend the money to buy NARS or Fenty or any of the higher end brand skin tints, just understand that L'Oreal is their girl for the drugstore, okay? Now, don't make the mistake that I made the first time I put this on. The other day I was playing in it and I happened to put on a primer with it. Because I've used a primer with my my NARS and I never had a problem. But I put on the e.l.f. primer with this, and I kid you all not, I looked a hot cakey mess. And I was like, oh God, if this is the way this looks, we're not going to be working with this. This is not good. So then I said, well, let me try it without, the primer. Ladies, don't use a primer. Just use your creams, your moisturizers, and then go in with the skin tint. It is a beautiful skin tint. And it held up all day. I did not use any powders on top of it because I wanted to see its true, endurance for the product. I wanted to see how long it would last, its longevity throughout the day, and how it wears. So I did not put on any powders. And it was pretty good. We were fine. It's just my lip pencil was a hot mess. Y'all, don't buy no LA girl lip pencils. It faded away, and I didn't even eat anything. It just faded away, y'all. Faded away. I'm like, this is a message to Morphe. Morphe, please bring back your lip pencils. Please, we are begging you. Bring back your lip pencils, okay? All right, but anyway, I'm gonna let y'all get back to the video. Let the rest of it be an ASMR. But yes, this is a go. The L'Oreal True Match Skin Tint is a green light.